What exactly is Mission Spacewalker all about?
The team is mostly focused on space tech, outreach, and hands on projects. So we actually get to build stuff, which is super cool. And we're women led, so we get to build experiments and design them from whether it's biological projects or robotics. Good mix of engineering and science all together.
What was your most recent experiment about?
We developed a cyanobacteria bioreactor. Essentially, our bioreactor involves a nutrient delivery system, which the cyanobacteria needs, sensors, as well as a CO2 gas injection. So it's just carbon dioxide being injected into the cyanobacteria medium. And we are essentially trying to evaluate fluid dynamics in microgravity. The fluid dynamics we're focusing on is capillary action, and what that means is just liquid moving through tiny spaces without the need of pumps.
What could it be used for?
So essentially, we wanted to develop this bioreactor because cyanobacteria is something that is called a life support system. And so they produce oxygen, they recycle carbon dioxide, and with very little resources needed. And so it's a strong candidate or asset for future space missions.
What was the flight like?
It was surreal. Honestly, it's pretty hard to describe into words. People have tried to ask me this, but some people compare it to a roller coaster. I don't really necessarily resonate with it just because you get that heart sinking feeling with the roller coaster, and you don't really get that. You just feel like heavy all like in one moment, and then all of a sudden you're just weightless, and then you start floating around, which is pretty awesome, and you get to be an astronaut for the day.